Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we have an 03 Volvo V70 with a 2.4 liter. We're going to talk about one of the top 5 trouble codes. It's a P0300, 31, 32, 34, 5. It's a misfire code. So what we want to talk about is one of the top problems. You have to access the cover. I've already taken all the screws off. I left one in there to show you. And it's a T30 Torx bit. So we're going to take that right out. We're going to remove the covers so we can get to the coils. Oil filler cap has to come off, and you've got to access this. There's one. I'm going to put that cap right back on. Don't want anything in there. So the nose of the cover for the timing cover has to come off. There's 2 clips. Slide that off. Now we've exposed the 5 coils. So if you have a misfire and you haven't done maintenance, you might want to change the spark plugs and all 5 coils. Key being, make sure you get qualified, good quality parts. So the top connectors on these coils are known to break free or burn out. They also have grounds in between. See the ground straps? You want, even though they feel tight, you want to disconnect those. Check the corrosion on them, because this is an aluminum on a tin cover, so you can get oxidization. You also have some ground straps back here. That's more of an engine block ground, but these grounds will feed this harness. So if you've done spark plugs and you get a misfire after you've done spark plugs, that means you disturbed the coils. Maintenance wise, on direct ignition like this, make it a practice of doing spark plugs with the coils at the same time. It gets expensive, but it also quality work and no step back finding problems, conditions afterwards. So I hope that these tips help you out.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.